Active Business Solutions is a Nordic-based Microsoft partner located in Norway and Denmark. We have in-depth knowledge and experience with the solutions we work with. Therefore, we also know what they can do for the development of your business. Our goal is satisfied customers. Therefore, we strive to solve your challenges so that together we can streamline the structure of your company. Long experience and high expertise enable us to take on even the most demanding business central development tasks. We offer a wide range of Microsoft business applications that can help you streamline your day-to-day operations and provide you with insight into your business data. That way, we help your company achieve results through the right applications and put together and develop the perfect solution for your company so that complex problems become simple solutions. You will experience us as a committed business partner from the first contact to delivery and follow-up. Because your challenge is our passion. For further information about how we can help your company, please don't hesitate to contact us. You'll find contact information at activebs.com.